Okay. 686, yeah. Megger.
Give me leakage.
Leakage is 6.8. It's leather.
Sorry. Come on, this light. Come on, that.
I don't go for motor.
Oh, it's okay. Fine. Go to next space.
Hello? Fine.
We'll get it.
You want to be a book?
We don't even need to instruction. You will just asking for extra.
I'm injecting.
It's your hand there. Careful.
No, they're not the type person. And they give you the camera, everything himself, everybody go wrong from this place. Honey?
This one is not.
It's in 300 and we're expecting 33 upwards, and this one is in 400 and this good. But this one is better.
Good evening. No, wrong number. It's not possible. I'm not DIG. Oh.
Now, how's that person?
No, not the house. Now all this 419, they will engage you because they want to work something on your phone.
Once you call on 4199, no call you again. Once you say, "Oga, leave me, go get work," they'll leave you. 418, Oga, fine. 418 Megger.
They want to engage you.
No, you know that conversation there. They will enter your phone.
I should give you leakage.
If you can see it.
24.4 microamp.
24.4 microamp.
Yes.
And once you have engaged,
I think when we do all this one finish, we so we can come at this evening. Okay. Okay, now the result of this. Go ahead. No, you know good to so can you when nobody because I can't sit down with somebody else. You stay
you go stay.
Chop my one.
Stay with.
Why?
stay 5? No, till tomorrow morning.
Stay now.
She be in Giga.
No, it's
It
better
has to be.
It has to be. Okay.
It's granny.
No, it's that leakage.
Okay.
It's in 900 and
Okay.
it's private.
This one is far better.
It's this yellow place.
watch out, baby. Watch out. Putting voltage you need. Watch out.
10,000
It's not 10K.
will bite you.
Bite.
I go cure malaria.
Now your heart now.
You see, it could be like see they carry
Now
something.
the heart now.
Okay,
And because
935.
this one, if you get continuously.
10.9.
Because he no be say he come and go.
10.9 microamp.
Take this one. Is it pushing?
Yeah, it's pushing.
The screen is getting. Now leakage there.
It never comes, but they push it, they inject your hand and now it starts to come.
Okay, Faraday here.
The cable don't try, the value go high.
You go right, you go right.
as 6.6.
Still almost the same.
Almost.
They just calibrated this.
Yes, that boy is among the designs.
Small efficiency.
You want small one.
695.
Just give me the linkage.
14.7 microamp.
14.7. Let's just do this again, please.
Okay.
I want to see if the moisture, as the moisture don't dry, whether it will come up. Just 30 seconds. If it's not different, then we'll shut it down. Change now.
No, I've changed it. It will come up. Started from 3.
I see almost
It's
save value. The save value.
Power down, power down. Power down.
Okay.
430.
Anyway, the shakara, they don't lose them for
Is it? Oh,
you. No, I
but
say,
to lose that side, not be this I am now.
okay. 9.
No, you tell us something.
You know, saying and left.
Okay.
I call here still.
You go tie create hotspot with your hand one day.
I did tell you.
Oh, yeah, we must do it. It's just 30 seconds because this one is too short.
Okay. I'm testing it. This is in Giga.
This is good.
It's in Giga. This one is very good.
Less resistance now.
Yeah,
Short.
It's short. Yeah, short line.
Yes, the distance.
Shorter,
Capacitance
shorter
that you are
resistance.
doing.
Your reflection go let you see.
I go see.